Okay, Chakalani definitely is here before. Maker, you can hear loud and clear. Great stuff. Let's open the stuff, Darren. Yeah. Good. Okay, USD JPY fail. We shall see. Oh, let's declare the floor open today. We are going to make sure we will declare the floor open and we shall see the charts. Okay. Let's start from the top. Eurodollar today. Let's start from Eurodollar. Yes. Good evening, Prince. Maria. Namibia. I love Namibia. I love to come to the park, to enjoy the park there. Fun time. Excellent. Great stuff. I would love it. Oh, sound and video goes frozen again. Are we any better? Right. Are we any better now? Okay. All right. So let us carry on. Let's hope that you can hear me. Yeah, I think I can see why. The internet is so bad. It's pretty dropping. Okay. Is it manageable? Can we continue? All right. So please bear with us. If it goes down, it will come back again. You know what they say? Everything that goes up must come down. Law of gravity. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's carry on. Okay. All right. So now let's see. This is Eurodollar today. Let's zoom in and see what happened to Eurodollar. All right. So this is where we are now with Eurodollar. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at the indicator again once more. All right. So we keep moving from 9 to 10. So today, I put it 9 to 10. Let's just keep it once and for all. Make it between 9 and 10. I used to take 1 minute off, 1 minute in. Let's just make it 9 to 10. Perfect. Okay. Euro begins at 9. Euro end at 10. All other time and colors are nothing. Okay. So Euro 9, Euro 10. Everything else is set to none. See, font color is none. USA color is none. Asian color is none. So the only color there is Euro. So the only thing you must see on your chart is this purple color. I've received questions about people saying they see a lot of colors popping up on their charts. And they see a lot of other sessions showing up. The reason that is the case is because you have set up other sessions to be on. So you have to remove all the colors and just keep one color only. And that is the color for the Asian session, purple. Okay, only the purple color should be showing. Everything else should be non color, right? Okay, so this is our chart today. Any question about that? Yes, very clear. Continue. Okay, hey Junior, make 39 pips in Euro. That's for you. Good. Meanwhile, Daudu got stopped out in Euro. Okay. Oh, you're unable to enter second time. Oh, Siabonga, a lot of love, a lot of fire. Great stuff. Love back. All right, so let's see Euro. Okay, let's see why people get stopped out on Eurodollar. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, so this is Eurodollar for us. All right, so this is the box. We draw the box between 9 and 10. And we saw that the box, ladies and gentlemen, did we get tripped into any trade here? Any sell trade here? If you are joining up for the first time, you have to be patient. Will get to you, okay? But for the people that are here already, they have to answer a few questions first. Do we get any trade around this place? Any trade? Is there any trade around here? Or is there any trade up here? Did we get triggered into a sell trade here, or did we get triggered into a buy trade here? Anybody? No. Okay. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Fran says no. Mika says no. Murphy says no. Okay. The question is, do we get triggered into any trade around here, or around up or down here? Anybody? No trade. No trade. No trade at all. No trade at all. Okay. Fabulous. 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 No trade. Okay. No trade. No trade. Okay, you had issues. Okay, Flanders, you have issues. Try and see if you can get it resolved. No. Okay, so right. So there's no trade here because there's no candle that is outside the box. Also here, there's no trade that is up here because there's no candle outside the box. Even though you see this candle punching outside, the whole of the candle is not outside. The same thing here, you see few candles punching the line. The whole of the candle is not outside. Okay. Now fingers on the buzzer now. This is our candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3. Which candle is our trigger candle here? 1, 2, 3. Which is the trigger candle? Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. Okay, we see answers coming. Right, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. If you are here for the first time, don't worry if you get it wrong. We will explain later. We just want to get to speed first. You know, it's like if you are in a race, you want to start very fast, and then when you get to the middle, then you start cruising. So now we want to be fast, and in the middle we'll cruise. Okay, Flander had issue with your chart. We'll sort it out. Don't worry. This is Eurodollar. This is Euro pair. Eurodollar pair. 5 minutes time frame right now. 5 minute time frame. Okay, 5 minute time frame. Hello, Ruben. Good to see you again. Welcome back. Okay, so now we know that candle number 2 is our candle and how. Okay, candle number 1 is not our candle. If you say 1, you are wrong, because 1 is touching the line. As you can see, some part of it is outside, some part of it is inside. We don't like that. We want all of it to be outside. So this is the first candle that all of it is outside the line. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 3 also, all of it is outside the line, but it's not the first candle that is outside the line. This is the first candle that is all of the candle parts is outside the line. So the correct answer is number 2. So if you say number 2, you are correct. So now let's put our sell line. Our sell line is this one. So I'm going to make it lighter. Okay, so that is our sell line at the close of this candle. Okay. Notice that we don't put our sell line here because this is not the candle that trigger us into the trade. This is the candle that trigger us into the trade, and that's why our sell is at the close of that candle. Okay, good. Let us see what is the number of pips for our profit. All right, I love this when the pips are huge. Yes, I love it. 27 pips. Okay. So our take profit 1, TP1 is 27 pips. So we enter our sell position here, and then we want to get 27 pips. Did we get 27 pips? Yeah, we got more than 27 pips. We got 37 pips. So we will have reached our TP1. Okay. So for the people that are coming for the first time, when you enter a sell, let's say you are triggered into the trade here, your stop loss will be the opposite line. So you have two lines. This is the bullish line, or the line for the high of the time and the low of that 1 hour between 7 and 8. This is 7 and 8 GMT. Between 7 and 8 GMT, you draw a line on the highest point and another line on the lowest point. This is the lowest candle for that hour, and this is the highest candle for that hour. So this is the highest line and the lowest line. Okay, so if you sold, the high line here, the bullish line, is your stop loss. If you have bought, this will become your stop loss. Okay, so we hit our TP1. All right, so for people that said they lost in euro, have you seen why did you lose on euro? Have you been able to figure it out yourself? We are dealing with Eurodollar, my friend. Francis, Eurodollar. Yes, this is today. Oh, let me double check. Let me just be sure that it's today. Yes, it's today. Let's just double check. Sometimes the chart might be funny. Yeah, well, this is live market. This is the price currently is moving, and this is the chart we have been analyzing. So it is definitely today, man. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at today's chart. Okay, and moreover, today is the 20 what? Not 20. It's the 5th of May. 5th of May. Okay, what do you want me to check, Flander? I got the box much smaller. Yes. So, Flander, from now onwards, let us keep the box at 9 to 10. Okay. You see, what happened is at 10 o'clock today, something happened. There was a big candle at that hour, at that minute. So if we go back to, let's say we go to 1 minute or so. If we're able to go to 1 minute, like, let's see, 1 minute. Okay. Is this today? No, let's go to today. This is not today. Let's go to today. We're looking for today. I'm doing this because of Flanders. Special Flanders. All right. So, you know what happened is that, look at that candle. This candle is at 10 o'clock. Exactly. That long candle. If it was 9:59, this was the 9:59 candle. This candle was the 9:59 candle. So you are right. Your box will have stopped at this smaller candle here. Okay. So, and this is 10 o'clock candle, and that is why the box becomes a bit bigger. Okay. Right. So let's go back to 5 minutes. All right, so we go back to 5 minutes. So we hit our TP1 on Eurodollar. Any more questions? Yes, that's why. Yes. So your box will have been here, right? Your box will be somewhere around here, smaller box. Yeah, your box will have been around there, or maybe here today. Yeah. So let's keep it simple. Let's make it 9 to 10 every day. Okay. That means for such sudden move at 10 o'clock, we'll get it covered. Ideally, the box should be between 9 and 10. So it is 9 to 10. Okay. So if there's a sudden move at 10 o'clock, this box will cover us for that as well. Okay. All right, so we got it now. So let's move to the next one. Okay, so for people who are joining us for the first time, I will now cruise a little bit and explain a little bit more. Okay, so now this is USD Swiss Francs. Okay, how can I help you? ADW Briscoe. You call me there. What can I do for you? Giovanni, box 955. Yes, 955 or 959 or 10. Yes, so they are very similar, but let's keep it 9 to 10. Start 9 and 10 o'clock for everybody. Okay, so now let's look at this situation here. This is USD francs. So we pop out of here, right? Definitely for you new joiners, you don't trade. Even though a candle touches the line, it is not a guarantee for you to go into trade. It's not a trigger to go into trade. The trigger to go into trade is if you find a candle completely outside of the channel, okay, or we call it a channel or the box. So if you find a candle completely outside the box, that is a trigger candle. This is the only trick. This is the first trigger candle, as you can see. Yes, GMT 7 to 8, which is same thing as IC. This is our candle number 1. Yeah, I can see it. I think it's the internet. Don't worry, we'll manage today. We'll get it sorted. This is candle number 1, and that's candle number 2. We got candle for this trade, 1 or 2. Candle 1 or candle 2. Okay, candle number 2. Thank you very much, Francis. You are welcome. Welcome to the group. All right, so candle number 2. We're looking at candle number 2. Yes, everyone seems to be getting it right. Candle number 2. This is the candle number 2. Is the first candle that is completely outside of the box. Okay, Adeniki, welcome back. Murphy, you are right. Candle 2. Ben, candle 2. Akia, you are correct. Candle number 2. Ronki, welcome back. Candle number 2. K-Man, welcome back. Candle number 2. France, you correct. Candle number 2. So this is candle 2, which is the trigger candle. Okay. So we're going to put our buy order at the end of that trigger candle, at the close of that candle. Yeah, of the box. So your take profit is the size of the box, but your stop loss is going to be the line. Let's measure what is the size of the box today. Size of the box. Oh, I love the size of the boxes today. Another 26 pips. Pips today. Grace. Let's measure from here. From where we enter at this point. And we're looking for 26 pips. Did we get 26 pips? Yes. We got 36. We got 40. What's the maximum? We got there 44 pips. Yeah. So we got 44 pips. So that means we got our TP1 and we were very close to TP2. So let's measure again. We're looking for 26 pips and we got 40. Actually, we got 44 pips. Okay. So we're looking for 26. We got 44. So definitely we got our TP1 and we are very close to our TP2. Okay, any question? Oh, Francis, you are in Uganda. There's no set time, to be honest with you. We try to do it evenings, around about this time. Sometimes earlier, sometimes a bit late. But what I'll say to you, everybody, is you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. So when you subscribe and click the notification bell, I think when I set up a meeting, you probably will get notification that I'm going to have a live session. So remember to subscribe. Okay. So we hit our TP1 as well here. Any question? Akia James, 9 to 10. Yes, 9 to 10 a.m. if you are using IC market, because IC market is 2 hours ahead of GMT. But your broker, what your broker's time is, so you find what is 7 to 8. A bit bad today with the internet. Okay, so this is Australia, US dollar. Anyone wants to see any charts before I carry on? Do you want to see a particular currency pair? Prince Sammy, 9 to 10 a.m. Okay, you cannot install the indicator. A lot of people will help you on this channel here. If you have questions, they will help you out, sort you out how to install it. It's very straightforward. Okay, so who wants any other chart to look into? Any pair? Do you want to see anything else? Gold? All right, let's see you. Okay, let's look at this Australia US. Okay, so here, this is our trigger candle number 2. All right, this is our trigger candle for this Aussie dollar. Okay, somebody wants to see GBP TR. Okay, all right, let's go and see that then. Let's go and see GBP TR, GBP Turkey. GBP Turkey, where are you? GBP, do they have here? GBP Turkey, GBP Turkey. No, they don't have it here. GBP Turkey. All right, which other one? Euro Australia. Euro Australia, I'm sure they have that. Euro Australia. Euro Australia is here. Okay, let's make it. Let's see how. Oh man, the internet is bad, pretty bad. So we're going to. Is the fault of the broker? They know we're going. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at this quickly. If we can do this last one before we go today. All right, so let's see. So here we are with, this is Euro Australia. Okay, if you look at that number 1 candle here, this first candle, it looks like it's touching the line, so we are not going to pick it as our trigger. But the next one, absolutely, is not touching anything. Is completely outside, so we are going to take that as our trigger candle. Okay, so that's our trigger candle. So we put our sell at the close of that candle, at the close of that candle number 2. Okay, at the close of that candle is our sell line. Okay, by now you know what is our take profit target. Take profit target is massive, is 43 pips. So you are looking for 43 pips, your take profit target from this line. Okay, 43 pips. Did we get 43 pips from that line? 43 pips, we sure we did. This is 63 pips. Okay, so we have checked fews today, few ones. We see that we nearly almost hit our TP1s. Your stop loss will be at the opposite end of the. If you have sold, this high line here will be your stop loss. The same thing up 9 to 10. That'll do 9 to 10. If you are using IC market, it is. The time does not depend on the country per se. It depends on the broker. Your broker time is what is important. Your broker's time. Okay. Okay. You want us to do USD JPY. All right. Let's do USD JPY. USD JPY. Where are you? USD JPY. There we go. This is USD JPY. We're going to put 2 lines on USD JPY. Okay, before we before the internet is cut off. Before Mr. Broker comes and chases us out here. All right, so USD JPY, there we go. Okay, so here we are not triggered into any trade yet. Let me make it bigger. Yeah, here there's no trade here. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we got triggered into a trade here. Okay, we got triggered into a trade here because this candle is outside of the box. So let's put it there. This is our sell line, buy line. Okay, so for JPY, we got triggered into a buy trade here. Okay, so we got triggered into a buy trade here. We made only how many pips? Few pips, just about 5 pips, which is not enough because our take profit target is what? Take profit is 17 pips. So out of 17 pips, we only got 5 pips before it reverses. Fair enough, you might hit your stop loss on this trade because your stop loss is here, okay? But look what happened after stop loss. You got triggered into another trade. So let's say you got stopped out here, all right? You got stopped out here. Now you big apology. I will get it sorted. Okay, so everybody, apology for the internet. It's going to be probably something to do with my internet here. So even though it's back, but I'm not so confident about it today, so I need to check out what is happening. But you got the gist of what is going on in the market today. It's been very okay. It's not bad. We have hit TP1 most of the time. We haven't hit TP2 much today because there haven't been any much trending markets. Okay. So as I said earlier, if you need the indicator, pop in your email address. And also subscribe and click the notification to be aware when I am going to do the next live session. Yes, Temidayo, you can get the indicator, just pop in your email address. Okay, everybody, it's going to be a short one today because of the internet.